Oh, he didn't give me the keys. He didn't give me the keys. He didn't give me the keys to start the boat. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, go tell him, John, go yell at him and tell him we need the keys. Well, no, he just parks right there.
You got it. I'm sure he knows it.
No, he doesn't.
Well, he's gonna bring the keys.
No, they're in the car, in the thing.
Hey, Cody, bring the keys to the boat.
All right, I got some fog rolling in, making the first cast. Start to hit them.
Got him.
I told you. Yeah. Take your time with him. Take your time with him, John. Don't let him get off. Oh, he got off.
Right behind you. Yeah, it is small. It's not a walleye. A walleye would be, that doesn't fight this well. Shaking his head though. There you go. This is a lot better than a largemouth bass catching. Sucks, man. I said, oh, he's gonna jump. Nah, he's gonna jump. Oh, look at that.
You having fun there?
This is awesome. Walleyes are in the beds, man. Oh my lord.
Oh, John! What is that? Wait, hold him up on my gun. Alright, there you go. John's first fish of the day is a nice walleye. Show that mouth. Oh my Beautiful God. Fish. Oh yeah.
Go to the bait shop and see if they have any bottom bouncers.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, how can I miss that?
Yeah.
Oh jeez. I was like, oh, and the. See that? He did it 3 times to me. I did it 3 times to me. I'm like, he broke my line.
Oh, that was a giant walleye. Oh my God.
Wasn't that freshly tied up?
Yeah, it was like, oh
that
my.
was probably a fall.
They'll probably show up here eventually. We'll probably see him. Toad. There we go.
God.
Oh, that's gonna be a nice one. I think. It's gonna be a netter. No, it's not a giant, but it's been a good fight. Yeah, okay. What?
Where's the big one?
Yeah, no, I didn't snag him.
Didn't?
Nope.
Oh, your jig was on top of his head.
Yeah. I can't believe how hard smallmouth fight. It's just, it's incredible. Too. I didn't think.
How far do you got the split checks?
About 12, do it about. I went to Starbucks and they go to me. I go, I have 2 and they go, yeah, up there. And he goes to me. They go, you talk so fast.
Yeah, they talk slow out here. It's so weird.
Yeah. My friend used to make fun of me because I used to say, that's what I'm talking about. Because is that what you're talking about, guys?
Yeah.
I know. I went out to.
Giant. Oh, that's a good fish right there. That's a good fish right there.
Watch it be a crayfish. Oh, what is it?
Give me the net.
Nice smallmouth. Oh, that's a really nice smallmouth. Oh,
Smallie, but another nice smallie here in the UP of smallies. All right. Fishing with that stinger rig. Absolutely. You ready to go, huh? Okay.
I gotta get my battery.
walleye on one side, smallmouth on the other.
Yeah, no, that's awesome. I love this.
That's too funny.
That's why I love this spot because it's like deep side or shallow side.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Pick one.
You're right about one thing, man. You're not moving on not crawling.
Yeah. No, we're good. We got a lot. We still got a lot more. Do you know how many we have in there?
Okay, but you know how many fish are in here?
My chest is hurting so bad. You guys gotta be laughing.
There's a lot in there. We're good.
Yeah, it's like.
Hopefully.
3 people. One.
It's fighting back. Oh, it's taking line. Here. Here.
It's too big. Yay.
Got him.
I didn't lose my worm.
Nice. Oh, was that a PB? Or you just casted? There you go. Small. I told you that's where I just lost a big one.
Oh, that's a decent. Oh, yeah. Alright.
Doubled up.
Enough of this. Hold on, let me try to get a triple.
He's a small. He's a small one.
Enough of this.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Another football. Ooh, yeah, you're strong. Wasn't even barely hooked. Another smallmouth bites the dust. Ah. Oh yeah, UP smallmouth. Gotta love them.
Oh no.
Sometimes they hang on all the way till the end, too.
Yeah, one time it was like dark and I didn't know what I had on, and I went to I thought it was weeds because it was green, so I went to grab it and pulled it off, and it was just clamping me, and I was like, oh my god, what the hell's going on here? It hurt. Those things hurt too when they clamp on you.
Yeah.
It's like a bee stinging you.
Oh my, giving you a heart attack.
That's a cow and a half, dude. Oh man, stay on, buddy.
Wait.
Oh, he jumped. They haven't been jumping at all.
He's a pig, man. Look at that.
Light colored one, too.
Oh, he's hooked by the trailer.
Careful. I love him.
That looks like a cow, man. Holy cow, that's big. That has to be 4 pounds.
Yeah. Oh, I can't get any ground on them right now.
Yep. You got one? Oh, that's still smallmouth or? Like a walleye, they usually stay down, but he's got a big walleye.
That's a nice smallmouth right there, boys.
Oh my God! Gigantic. It is gigantic.
Gigantic?
Please help. Please help. Please help. This is my personal pet. Please help. Oh my God.
That is awesome.
Oh my, it's a 30. That's a 30-incher. Dude, oh my God.
Upper 20s at least,
Is your
dude.
camera on?
Yeah. Huge walleye.
You have that on camera?
Yeah, I should.
I'm shaking, dude.
Look at it.
27, 28 and a half. Yeah, 27 and a half.
Still, that's a beautiful walleye.
That is my dream fish. Is a
Huge.
big walleye.
Huge.
Take some pictures.
Yeah, like that. There you go.
That's a hog, man.
That's a good photo right there, dude. All right, that's good. Some good photos.
Walleye, 27 and a half. That is a beautiful fish.
Let's get him back.
Wow. Whatever it is. Is it a smallmouth?
Yeah, it's smallie. Almost jumped in the boat.
You are crazy.
Another little smallmouth.
I think he's getting hit now.
There he goes. Probably.
Yeah, absolutely. No doubt about it. I know this is. Oh, my hands are gonna be.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Huge walleye. Huge.
Not small.
Smallmouth. Looks like a nice molly though.
Yeah, it is a small, nice small.
Get the netty ready.
There we go. Wow.
Yeah, you're gonna want the net for him. That's like a 3 to 4 pounder right there, Joe. John. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, there you go. You do one more like this. Hold them with 2 hands now, like that. Oh, yeah, there you go. All right.
That's awesome, thanks.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's been a while. I was like, what is that? What happened there?
Oh, is that small? Mm-hmm. Oh, I thought it was a walleye.
Yeah, I know, me too, for like a split second. When he was first down there. Fat smallmouth. He's definitely eating crayfish. That's for shizzle. Ooh, you wanted to go, eh?
They're gonna eat.
Or they haven't ate all morning and they're hungry here to the...
Yeah. I'm gonna trust them. 24-8 and the bigger one.
Yeah, I know.
Potential for sure.
Shut up. No, you don't get any. All mine.
Why are you running? You're using a different jig for it. I'm not
Yeah, it is.
Oh, he almost made it. This one came from deeper water. They're not as much of in the shallow anymore.
Chose to keep on sending fish to him.
Oh my god.
He's gonna hate me. Come on. You got it? Yeah. Got it?
Yeah.
Double up, triple up. Come on. Jig. Jig. Go in.
That one was just sitting with it in his mouth. Wow.
That's not fighting like a smallmouth. Is it a smallmouth?
It might not be. This is fighting like, I don't got much line on this thing. That's what I'm worried about.
All of a sudden it's a 30-inch or walleye.
No, I think it's a really big smallie. Yeah, it's a big smallie. Yeah, snap my line. Yeah, it's a big smallie. Where's the net?
Oh, I thought I had him. That was weird. Definitely had him that time. Yeah, that's a 4-pounder.
Okay. Goes. My thing almost got away. Oh, come on. I hate this one. Sorry. Just 1 second more. Got it.
Wow, beautiful smallies. Gotta love them. Let's see.
18 inches.
18 inches. Yeah. 18-inch smallie. Beautiful.
Oh, I had him. Damn it.
There he goes. What a beaut.
Oh yeah. You would have went on the kayaks. We would have done all kayaking. But we would have followed you. Ow. Oh yeah. There you go.
He said, ow. Ow.
You know what it was? I had those stupid weights right next to the stupid thing.
Ooh, there you go. He's trying to get off. Don't let him. No, you're not. You want to catch him.
I'll catch him. Actually, he's not a bad size one either.
No, he's not. Might be your biggest one. Looked nice when he jumped. Looked every bit of 4 pounds. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
This is awesome. This is so awesome.
Yeah. Well, hopefully if they go to Michigan, at least they slate fish. Yeah. There we go.
There we got one.
2 years and 5 minutes later.
That looks like a nice one.
It's fighting decent. Oh, it's a small one.
Is he a netter?
Well, I have a lightweight, so everyone pretty much is a netter.
I'm not gonna want the stuff in the way right now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he hit pretty hard. He was determined to get it. And he hit the jig head fully. He's got a crawdad in his mouth.
Really?
Yeah. Can you hand me that?
Yeah. Let me...
Oh!
Oh, he almost bit your lip.
He did.
What are you doing?
There you go. You didn't let him bite you? That's a small one. Does it hurt? Oh! No!
You get that video?
Yeah.
Oh god.
That's great. They swim backwards, right?
Yep.
That's funny. Smalley's over here?
Hey. My worm's messed up, so I'm not gonna catch him.
I got a nice juicy worm.
There has to be tons of crayfish out here to catch 2 in a row like that. No wonder they're here.
Mm-hmm. And those things don't let go. They wanna.
You ate my messed up worm? Alright.
Wow. You would do that. What are you doing?
Gotta do some magic.
Figure 8?
Oh, he snapped my line.
Oh, you gotta retie.
Shut up.
Hooking into the smaller ones. Holy crap, dude. He just jumped so high in the air. Alright, come here.
Molly?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I want to take a picture of that and watch this phone on some pictures.
You in the net?
I might. He choked it pretty good.
Pictures. There you go.
I've always looked at these. I've always seen them.
Wolf River, the Lindsay rigs used to work really good for me. But the Canada races, I used to do the syringe.
Jeez, man. Come on. There's some smallies for us.
Ooh!
That looks like a nice one.
Yeah, you never know. They all just fight so hard.
You never know. You can break your TV walleye here too. 29. Pretty much fun.
Yeah, it is.
Didn't you love how we came through the wood like that?
Oh, I thought it was awesome coming on with, but I'm watching this. Oh my gosh, this looks like
That's a nice one.
Oh man.
There has to be a thing that makes me want
Another smallie. Hey?
ones the other spawners, and those are better.
It sucks, but it doesn't.
I don't
It
know.
sucks 'cause you
I'm
want
kind of happy because it really, you want the smaller ones anyway, the better.
You didn't bring any heads with? God damn. What's going on over there? They must be really in the shadows today.
This one's head shaking like crazy. Oh yeah, this is a nice one.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's a huge one. Oh. No, it hit. I'm gonna go see if it's
Hey, leave my smallmouth alone. Smallmouth are eating today, boys. Apparently the walleye are too.
That's doing it. Seeing that thing swim away. So good.
His friends are happy. Oh, hey Bobby, you're back.
We can go back to feeding.
Yeah.
They have to be so thick over there. It's incredible because you're getting them like.
Yeah, he's getting left and right.
You have to cast further to the left.
Yes.
Just where you casted, you're gonna get one right there.
Oh man. That's like not.
Not a bad idea.
Quit looking at it like, yeah, that's a small one. People would love to catch these.
Kevin won't catch it.
Ow!
Oh.
See, this is like we need to bring no, because I forgot to take my blade.
Yeah.
I have one of your batteries in here.
Alright, that's cool.
Probably already popped that.
Yeah, we did. Definitely did. Yep.
There it is.
There he is.
It was cool because he was pulling back and I was pulling him.
Yeah, I seen that. That was perfect. That's gonna be a nice one too.
Oh, there you go. Feel some drag.
Oh, I love how they shake their head.
I know. I know.
It's like, oh yeah. Oh yeah, shake it, baby. He's bigger than the the other one that I had.
Mm-hmm. We're hooking into the nice ones now.
Oh, I can't even get him up.
Yeah, I know. They fight, man. You gotta love them.
What pound test line do you use?
I use 6 and 8 pound.
He still came on that line.
Wow. Look at him. That's a nice one. See him.
Mm-hmm.
There it comes.
There you go. Hold on. There you go.
Whoa. Come on, pull.
Huh?
There's a dragon coming.
So cool because you get pulling it.
I know.
I could feel them grab it.
Mhm.
And let it go, and when they come back, that other one did the same thing. He grabbed it, let it go, and then came back and mouthed it, and then got someone away with it.
Man, we used to buy so many lures. All we need is this.
I know.
This knife collars, and that's it. Really.
Yeah.
Spending all that money. I think the same thing.
Oh yeah.
I love it. Plenty of 3.5.
I gotta take my phone out without pulling my pants down.
Why are you taking your phone out?
God, I want a video of
I'm recording. Just fight it.
Why didn't you bring your GoPro?
because
You didn't think we were gonna slay fish?
no, I didn't know how to use it.
Oh, we could have showed you.
I still don't know if I'm using it right.
We could have showed you.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do it tomorrow. I'm coming with you tomorrow morning.
Let me go home and look at all the footage. And wish you were here.
Oh my gosh, this is like. Where is he at?
Oh, that's
Nice puppy. I didn't take my leg crawler. Please don't lose my leg crawler.
don't flip them, don't. Oh.
Yeah, I'm okay. I told you. I didn't lose my leg crawler. Oh, I'm okay. Oh, he's straightened my hook.
You wanted to
Dude,
pick.
if you get smallmouth out there, they should be big. Yeah, dude.
Oh, he woke up a little bit.
Yeah, he woke up all right. Is it a walleye? I was like,
This is walleye. Rescue.
No, it's dark.
What is it? It's a lake trout.
That would be
Oh,
awesome.
yeah, it is. It is. It's a lake trout.
Yes.
It's a laker.
Yes. Don't flip them. The net's behind John.
I lost a huge lake trout.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. This spot just like it. My first lake trout.
Yes.
Nice.
Should we eat it? No, we don't have a lake trout stamp, do we?
How many times we thought we had a lake trout?
Look at that beautiful fish. New species to the list, dude. New species to the list.
Damn, I didn't get that on video.
Little lake trout.
Yeah. Lake trout. I thought I had it on. Oh no.
not using that.
Like it would be such a nice presentation on the bottom. Just floating
Yeah, floating right off the bottom.
right there. Slowly drag it. That's when they're hitting the most, and when you slowly drag it.
That's exactly.
Bobby. Yeah, those things fight kind of like smallmouth.
Yeah, that's what it looked like.
First he was head shaking like crazy, and then he just started moving.
Just a little. Oh, it's a Wally. Hey, Wally. Perfect eater.
Look at that. Nice.
Perfect eater.
Beautiful.
That's a 16 all day.
Yeah, it's all day. That's awesome.
Hooked with the jig head.
Yeah, it's 16.
Yeah, absolutely. That's awesome.
That was all the way up in the shallows.
Yep. Settled.
This is something you got to come with us every year now, John.
You know, gosh, I want to, trust me.
You can't convince him not to.
Like I said, you can this morning when you were sitting in my kayak, I'm like, does it mean I can't go with you?
No, 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 no.
I felt bad when it didn't fit. I was like, oh no.
Isn't fighting like a smallmouth either.
Another walleye?
No, I don't think so. No, it's not. There it goes. No, it's still not fighting. Yeah, still not fighting like a smallmouth. Wants to hug the bottom. Yeah, it is interesting because I'm not. Because it's not. I can't see it yet. No.
Oh. Never heard of this thing.
Big smallmouth. It's green. It's a big smallmouth.
He's dark, so you can't really see him.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
It's a smallmouth.
Yeah, it's a smallie.
I bet you I hooked him in the side or something.
No, it might be the trailer hook.
Trailer hook in the side.
Grab him by the mouth. If you can. Here, hold on. I got you.
Yeah.
Oh, I just must drop the net in the water. Well, that's a nice one. Can you imagine catching a walleye like this? Whoa, he almost went out of...
Oh yeah.
That is a toad. That's a toad, y'all.
I'm gonna text my brother Joe and tell him
man.
to catch bluegill.
That is a chunk.
Oh yeah.
Look how wide this is, dude. Holy crap.
He's jumping.
All right, let's get him back. That's a toad right there, man. Keeping largemouth, honestly. Yeah.
You're right, I haven't.
They taste like the best fish.
Hooked with the jig head. Just like that. Upper Peninsula. Swim about, and they chase the bait fish, and where the bait fish are, the fish are. There you go. You gotta stand up for that one. But I see him down there.
Yeah, I can see him. He's just shaking his head.
All right, let's triple up. Ready?
Let me try for some smallmouth. Seems like the bite slowed down over there.
He's like a big one.
Yeah, he's big. Trying to get you snagged up in those rocks.
It's only 8 o'clock. We've only been out here for about 2 hours. Almost 2 and a half. Got 4 walleye.
Oh, he was too fast for me.
Yeah, he's gonna be. I'm gonna text him, take some pictures and just start texting him. I gotta take a picture with my phone. No, that's good. This is awesome. You got a fish?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, do not throw it there. Right there.
Yes.
I gotta hit 2 at the same time. We haven't tripled up yet. Last time
We would have if you
We had him
weren't,
do
but
that.
you guys were walleye fishing.
we did it multiple times. Yeah, we would have.
Yeah. Because you guys were fishing the deep side.
I can't believe that I hit. Kind of dead down. How's the walleye doing? You know what? What's that mean? That's still right now. Might be still alive. Yeah, they're still. One's still alive. The other one's flipped over.
We're not marking nearly as many fish either, so I could.
It's kind of dead.
The schools.
You guys want to go try?
I guess not. Go try what?
See, I can go try for the small or the see the weed bed.
They just come in and out of here. It's just the spot.
Yeah.
Another nice one.
Most likely. Oh man. Smalley.
Off that stove so we can cook those pizzas.
They can't because the fact that they said there's you cook, there's something wrong with the exhaust. And it makes the house look so bad, it's ridiculous.
Oh really?
Well, why did they buy pizza then?
Yeah, I don't know. I think Jamie did. But
I did too. I got a chicken Alfredo pizza, which is delicious.
was it?
And I got a.
We'll just have to cook it in the microwave. No, that'd be horrible. It would be all soggy.
We'll go get a grill and we can grill it.
No, it's not bad. Just don't. Another one?
Another one bites the dust. Ooh, this one feels better.
That's pretty nice.
Uh-oh, this is a big one. I just hooked the big one. I don't think I'll get it in.
There you are. Is it that big? Don't do that. Don't hold it on.
Just yank out of it a couple times. Oh, double header? Wow, he's got a big one. He's got a big. That thing's still feeling alive.
Wow.
This could be a 7-pounder. Oh my gosh, is it?
Oh.
Get the net ready, get the net ready.
Holy crap.
No, don't jump.
Is he just fighting that hard or is it that big?
No, he's a tiny one.
He's fighting really hard.
I know. I must thought it was like a lake trout or something.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not.
That one fought hard right there, man. Holy crap. Yeah, that feels solid. Yeah, that's right. Yep. I just seen one jump. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice. I was gonna say, dude, I just seen one jump right here.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, be a 7-pounder. 7. Is he a 7, John?
He's a nice one.
A nice one. Oh, it's a huge walleye. I'm joking.
I'd say that'd be super abnormal for huge walleye to be up there shallow.
No, it's not that shallow.
Yeah, I mean, it was kind of like 20 feet, but
Oh, we got it out.
I moved out a little bit.
Oh, come on. I'm left out.
Get your pole. Just put the net down and get your pole.
They're coming in now or something?
Oh my gosh.
Either that or you got it.
Actually, I got it.
Oh my god. That one in. Oh my god.
Yes, sir.
That was risky.
That was risky.
It's probably at least 7 pounds.
Shut up. 9-pound smallie here. Not bad. Another one bites the dust. Dude, when I casted out for this one, my line was literally going like a wacky. I'm not even kidding you. Wacky worm. Yeah, I'm kidding. I'm not even kidding. My line was going a million miles an hour. And that was behind you where I casted. All right, we're calling it a day for now. Later, but right now we're Right now we're calling it quits. Yeah, that bite turned off fast, and now we're gonna go try a panfish spot. We'll see if we can catch any big bluegills.
What did you do with the second one?
Hold on, I'll get it.